In today's video we are making curry. It's not Indian, it's not Thai, it's a mixture in between. It's lentils and chickpea curry, and this is my way of doing it. It shouldn't take longer than half an hour, it's easy to make and it's packed with flavor. I'll see you at the end of this video with a bit more talk about curry. Enjoy! And we are back with the wrap up. Wrapping up this video, I have a few points that I need to talk about. The first would be, if you want to make it vegan or vegetarian, following my recipe, all you have to do is remove the fish sauce. That's it, easy, and you're good to go. Be creative, cook outside the box when it comes to curry. Honestly, if you have things that you like, if you have ingredients that you like, if you have spices that you like, try adding them into the mixture. It might not work the first time, but you never know. You might come up with something that is really amazing. That was today's recipe. That was lentils and chickpea curry. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoy doing it. If you have any ideas, if you have any cooking ideas, please comment down below. If you want me to cook anything in the future, yeah, why not? We'll see what we can do. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and all the best. Ciao.